Welcome to our discussion on Lean Daily Huddles. These daily meetings are critical in promoting problem solving and continuous improvement. Today we'll talk about a typical agenda for Tier 1 huddles, huddles held daily by the frontline team. Let's dive in. Step 1. Review previous period performance. This will help identify any issues that need to be addressed and ensure the team is aware of the current status. Step 2. Identify performance problems. This step involves identifying any issues related to safety, people, cost, delivery, and quality that need to be addressed. Step 3. Assign problem-solving responsibilities. Assigning responsibilities ensures that the right people are working on the right problems using a standard problem-solving process. Step 4. Discuss status of problem-solving efforts. This step involves discussing the progress made in solving problems from previous days, but not trying to solve them in the huddle. Step 5. Discuss current staffing and plan for the day. This step includes discussing the required number of products to produce, patients to see, insurance claims to process, etc. Step 6. Identify improvement ideas. This step involves discussing any improvement ideas submitted by the team and identifying ways to implement them. And there you have it. A basic understanding of Lean Daily Huddles and their importance in problem solving and continuous improvement. Start implementing them today. Visit us at emsstrategies.com to learn more.